Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Georgiana and I just like to do videos, So if you're gonna find this one useful, hit like. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel if you find the content on my channel useful. I'm gonna go right into it. In my previous video, I was showing you how I take care of my nails, when I do my nails, how I prep them, what products I prefer to use as a base coat, as a top coat, and what I think is the best. Because I used to bite my cuticles until they would bleed and I could never grow my nails. But these products and the routine that I have right now have completely changed the way my nails look and feel, and they're stronger and just better. So in this video I'm going to show you what I do every night before bed, what are the products that I use. However, I failed to mention one important thing, the bit I'm about to show you. Every time I shower, after the shower, I apply this Sally Hansen cuticle and nail oil. It has vitamin E in. You can apply any oil really, but I just really like this brand because it worked for me. And I apply that every time after shower because it gives flexibility to nails. For example, if you bang your nail into something, I even hit it myself in the arm when I was putting lotion on, and I'm like, scratch myself and my nail hurt as well. I was like, did my nail break? And it didn't break because of the flexibility that these products applied with consistency give to my nail. So I really do think it's a good step to have, just like how you would put hydration back and nourishment into your skin, face after a shower or bath. You need to do that with your nails as well. I think that helped me. So I'm going to show you the bit in which, before bed, what I do. Let's watch it together. So this is the table that I have next to my bed, and here I keep particular things for me not to ever forget to put on my nails. But to be honest, I got so used to it that if I don't do one of the steps, I can't sleep. I'm like a bit OCD with this one. I have this lemon butter cuticle cream here from Burt's Bees. It has these patterns inside because I always scoop up using my nail like this, and it smells like a lemon meringue pie. Smells really good, this. I apply it to my cuticles first, or if I'm not in the mood to apply this, I also have here castor oil, and I keep it here because initially I was keeping this here for my eyebrows because I would massage into my eyebrows every night so I can regenerate them, and it's really good for that, or into the hairline if I knew I would wash my hair the next day. It sinks into the skin, so it's very dense oil. It doesn't stay on the surface to stain stuff, but I wouldn't put loads anyway. I would really massage it into the skin. But recently I started using this on my nails as well as obviously you can use it on lashes and eyebrows. I usually just use it on eyebrows, but I use it on my nails as well and massage onto the nail bed. Even if I have nail polish on, I'll still put it on. Any oil is still good to put on even if you have nail polish, because it's your natural nail. Especially if it's obviously your natural nail, then it sinks into the nail bed, no problem. And I massage it on the cuticle because it strengthens the nails, and it makes them stronger, I read as well. So I do that with castor oil. So I have these two here, and then I put my hand cream on, and that's what I do for my hands at night. Here I have this product. Initially I was only using this and I had really good results with this. I've noticed my cuticles weren't as, dry and hard, dry basically. They were very dry most of the time. And since I've been using this routine, along with making sure every 2 or 3 days I would clean up my cuticles and not let them grow too much, so I don't want to pull at them, then I noticed a big improvement using this product and having the consistency that I have with taking care of my nails in general. And since I read with the castor oil that it strengthens the nails, I also apply it on my nails, as I said. So this is basically my nighttime routine. This is just a lip balm that I apply at night on my lips as well every night, but this does nothing to do with nails, but I just keep it here because this is for my lips. And that's what I do at night basically. That's why I keep them handy, because then I'll never forget, and they're just there before going into bed. I must say here that this is the 3rd time I purchased this, or 4th time, I'm not even sure, but I love this hand cream so much. It's Helping Hands from Lush, and it doesn't smell amazingly, to be honest. It smells like yeast. When you bake stuff, It just smells a bit like yeast, I feel, but it's so moisturizing for the hands. I only apply it at night before bed. I don't apply it throughout the day really, unless I've been cleaning and I need extra hydration. I put it on after my hands have been, you know, a bit from the cleaning products. But this is amazing, the Helping Hands one. I had another one, I'm not sure how it was called, but it didn't make me as happy as having this one, so I always returned to this one. I really recommend it if you need a moisturizer that's really hydrating for your hands, and it's just makes your hands soft and nourishes your hands. Just try this one, you really love it. That's it, that's all I do. It's easy, isn't it? I mean, for me it's easy. So the order in which I apply them is lip balm, cuticle thingies, and if I go with castor oil that night, I'll also do here a bit on the eyebrows as well, a bit on the tips of my lashes. But if I don't go with the castor oil that night and I prefer to apply the Burt's Bees one, then apply that, then hand cream all over my hands, like that, my wrists as well, and that's it. Off to bed. And I feel like I did everything in my power to help my nails grow and be strong and be more proud if a person is looking at my hand, or when I look at my hands, because I used to be embarrassed with my nails, very embarrassed, to the point where I would hide them and I would stay like this, you know, just with my arms in my lap and just hide, like make my hands into fists, you know. Are you the same? Do you do that? Because my nails were looking dreadful because I couldn't contain myself. I would pull at cuticles when I was watching TV, just pull at it and they bleed, and it's a bad habit. It's on like a nervous kind of habit. I'm sure it's not just, it has to do something with the personality, or I don't know, it's a disorder somehow, I think it is. But I managed to overcome it by keeping my nails looking pretty, and then I don't want to bite them because I'm thinking, oh look, it's pretty, I don't want to mess up what I did, you know. If you keep it up like that for a few days and then the days turn into weeks, then you're gonna see the improvement on your nails, and you won't want to do that anymore just because you see how pretty they look, or prettier, you know. So that's my advice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if it was useful. Leave me a nice comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say it. Don't break my heart. And subscribe to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, then you wish to see me more often. So I'll see you in my next video.